Milwaukee introduces the M18 Fuel Power Feed Drain Cleaner, integrated with a cable drive locking feed system, zero drum contact for optimum protection, and a flat base for ultimate control. The M18 Fuel Power Feed Drain Cleaner delivers maximum power up to 15 meters down the drain line, removing the toughest clogs. Powered by M18 Red Lithium, it delivers cordless mobility for instant setup on the job. Enough runtime to get through multiple jobs, and is a safe power source when working around water. Our cable drive locking feed system allows automatic cable feed and retraction, allowing you to keep both hands on the tool while engaged, and features a twist lock that gives you the best grip for maximum control. This means you can maintain your selected speed during cable feeding or retracting, and hold the cable in place while you work the clog. A fully enclosed drum offers protection when working around fragile fixtures and keeps the mess contained. An integrated flat base also means it can be placed on the ground, allowing for ultimate control when working the clog. Milwaukee Tool are passionate about delivering the best solutions to service plumbers and facility maintenance professionals. The M18 Fuel Power Feed Drain Cleaner is just one piece of the drain cleaning system of products designed to keep you working with less hassle to get out on more service calls. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Power Feed Drain Cleaner.